Welcome to Math Champion Academy. Here, one of the important question given, okay, from the real number chapter. A is equal to 2 square into 3 power x given. B is equal to 2 square and into 3 into 5 given. And C value also given, that is 2 square into 3 into 7. And LCM of ABC is 3780. Then what find x value? X is equal to. So we have to find x value. To solve this one, first look at find this factor. Prime factors were 3780. Okay, 3780 prime factors we have to find first. Okay, it is do first with 2. 2 1s are 2, 8 is 16, 2 9s are 18, 0. Again with the 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 5. With the 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 5s are. Okay, next 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. Next 3 3 5s are 15. Again 5 7s are. So this is the factors. Okay, 3780 we can write as the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, into 5 into 7. Now LCM of ABC, how much you are getting? Find the LCM of ABC. A is given. A is 2 square into 3 power x. B is given 2 square into 3 into 5. C is given 2 square into 3 into 7. So if we take LCM of ABC, LCM, we have to take common one. Okay, here 2 square is a common. 2 square. Smallest power we have to take here. 3 here, there, here, there, here, there. So we can take 3 power x into here 5 is there and here 7 is there. So we have to take 5 and 7 also. So this LCM, this is equal to this one, 3860 prime factors. So from here, if we see here, both are equal. This is equal to this one. This 2 square and this 2 square cancel. This 5, 5, 7, 7. It get cancelled. So what is the leftover? 3 power x is equal to 3 cube. So x value, what is bases are same. Then what is the power should be same. So x is equal to 3. From here we will get x is equal to 3. Okay. So our option is C is our correct answer. Okay. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.